Today we're going to show you how to calibrate the alarm relay set points of an Evikon Oxygen sensor. In order to communicate with the sensor, you need to connect it up to power and you need to connect it up to an RS485 converter. In this case we have used an Atom converter that communicates with my laptop. On the laptop you need to install the software called PluraSens. XiltriX can provide this for you. And if you're able to communicate with the sensor via the COM port, you can read the settings by pressing read. The sensor right now is measuring 2053%, which translates to 20.5% oxygen, which is normal ambient oxygen. In this case, we want to change the relay outputs of this device. Right now, they are set to activate the first relay when it goes below 19.1%, and the relay will deactivate when it will go above 19.5%. This is also the case for the second relay, but the values are different. The second relay will engage below 18% and above 19%. It will deactivate. If I would like to change this value, I can, for example, put in here 1700. This value will indicate that the sensor should activate below 17% oxygen. By pressing the right button, the values will be written to the non-volatile memory. The sensor values will be written read back, and you see that this has been done successfully. Please note not to set the values too low, because using a too low set point can create a health hazard and people can die if the values come below 15%. If you want to change the set point back again, you can again put in the values. These are the recommended values from XiltriX. The first relay can be attached to, for example, a siren, which is the one you see right here. This will switch independently from XiltriX. Even if XiltriX is not running, the sensor will be able, if having power, to activate the external relays. The second relay output can, for example, be attached to an additional booster fan or an additional emergency switch-off valve for the cryogenic liquid nitrogen supply. If you have any questions, please contact the XiltriX support department.